Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a website on IONOS. Let's get into it. First, go to Websites and Stores. Open your web browser. Type your login details into the entry boxes, and from Dashboard go to Website and Stores. Click on this option from the main menu and wait for the new page to load completely. Because you cannot build a web page from the front home screen, you have to open this private area so the system knows you have the right to start a new project. Without this step, you would just be looking at your account bills instead of building your new internet space. Next, select a template. Browse through the available layout choices on your screen and select a template that fits your style. Click on your favorite layout design to open it up inside the simple website building tool. Picking a pre-made layout ensures you do not have to build everything from scratch. By choosing a template, you get a beautiful frame with text boxes and picture slots already placed for you. It ensures that your setup process stays fun and fast from the very start. Next, customize the color palette and name. Open the Design Settings panel on the side to customize the color palette name. Pick a group of colors that match your business look and type your new brand name into the main header box at the top of the page. By choosing your colors and naming your site, you give your online space its own unique personality. It is the key step to getting the right output so your website looks professional and stands out from the crowd. Scroll down to the bottom of the page or go to the info section to update your contact details, then click the final Publish button. Type in your email or phone number so people can write to you and wait for the success message to show up on your screen. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.